Wagwan, what's great? Sheffield John Morris again, man, and today I want to present to you one of, if not the simplest dessert to make, real quick and easy. And it's from something that you may most likely have in your household. You see me? You saw the title, so you know exactly what you're getting. We're going to be making some blueberry crumble.
We know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
So blueberry crumble, just blueberries and really oatmeal with a little bit of sugar here and there and something for flavor the thing. So I'm going to be showing you how I get that done. So 2.5 cups of blueberry, and the choice of blueberry here is frozen blueberry, right? I have some ginger right here. Just need the juice from the ginger. Nice. So about a teaspoon of ginger. I'm using about 2.5 cups of frozen blueberry. You can use fresh blueberry for this method as well, but frozen is what I have. I'm gonna add to that some lemon juice. Not too much, about a tablespoon of lemon juice. So I'm gonna go in 3/4 cups of granulated sugar. I'm gonna add some water in there. This is 1/4 cup of water. Pour that in. I'm not gonna be putting any cinnamon in this one today. I want to keep it nice and simple, right? When I do the apple crumble, I would normally put cinnamon and vanilla in there. This one, no cinnamon and vanilla. But if you want those spices in there, go ahead and drop them right in. 2 tablespoons of flour with 1/4 cup of water. Let's strain this off because we don't want no lumps in here. Mix that down. Alright, mix that up. So what this flour will do now, with that little bit of water, it's gonna help all of these berries to just nice and thicken up when it's time for baking. But not my baking container in with all of this goodness. Alright, this looks good. Put that to the side for now. We're gonna add a few cups of muesli. And muesli is basically rolled oats mixed with dried fruits, right? So 4 cups basically of that muesli. 1/2 cup of brown sugar. So we have here 1/2 cup of butter. Melted. Mix that in just to dissolve that sugar properly. And we don't need the crust to be, or the crumble to be too sweet, because we have the sweetness going on in the berries. 1/2 cup of flour. That's gonna help us as a nice little binder to everything. Mix that in before we add that melted butter and sugar in. Alright, that's mixed into a degree. Add that melted butter and sugar in. Then we're just gonna mix that up. Go in with the hands, don't be shy. If you have regular oats at home, you can go ahead. But with the muesli mix, as I said, has the dried fruits in there, which makes it amazing. This is what you want, slightly sticking together, but not all that much, right? And that's perfect. We're gonna sprinkle this over on top, or crumble it, so to speak. This has a little bit of cranberry in here, some cherries, like this is amazing. And I'm using 4 cups because in this house we like to have a lot of crumble on here, right? So with that first layer down, this dessert only really consists of a cup of sugar. There's way more sugar in a cake, and we don't eat this every day. Pat that down, compact that first layer, and then now for the remainder, I'm just gonna sprinkle it like so on top. Nothing fancy. See how lovely that looks? Just a little bit of sea salt. Make sure that it just slightly sprinkled. This is just gonna elevate that sweetness to another level. When you bite into a little bit of saltiness, just a little bit of sea salt, and there you have it. Beautifully done. Gonna pop this in your oven, preheated oven for 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're gonna bake this for 30 to 40 minutes. We want to get the crumble or the oat, so to speak, nice and crispy, and then everything in the bottom cooked and nice and gooey. You see it now? The blueberry crumble. I have a video out on how to make your apple crumble, so you can feel free to check out that video at your convenience. This is a showstopper, and I'm going to be doing a spin-off video using like the leftovers from this, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you subscribe, yes, check out the thing, you see me? And I just said there, so after 40, you know, we are come back. Let's dig into that. This can be served up nice and hot. Nice little square. Just like so. I'm gonna serve that up with a little bit of Jamaican grape nut ice cream. That's literally like the icing on the cake. And there you have it, how to make your blueberry crumble. As said before, I didn't put any vanilla or cinnamon in this one because I wanted to get a different taste. However, you can put the cinnamon and vanilla in there for your liking. I did a video on apple crumble. You can check it out right here. That one has all the vanilla and the cinnamon and stuff. This one, I don't need that in there. If this is a video that you enjoy, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. If you're not yet subscribed, subscribe to the thing. This very same dish that we have here, we're going to be using the leftovers from the blueberry to show you what we create from that. If that's something you're interested in, hit subscribe so that when these videos are out, you'll be one of the first to be notified. Once again, thank you very much for watching. Until next time, you know, safe travel upon the gravel. You know the thing, go and big up on yourself.